Day 50 something. I am 12 weeks pregnant and I usually eat about a bowl of watermelon a day. Scout, what do you think? Doing a lot of relaxing, laundry, computer work, all the things. So,
boy or girl or boy or girl?
I don't know. We've been playing board games to pass the time because we don't know what else to do with ourselves as we wait to tell the world about the little baby. Here, I need to stand here, or why don't you hold it? Because if I hold it, then I cut your head off or mine. There we go. So we're going to my mom's at 4 o'clock and we're just having my family there and we're gonna pop a balloon, hopefully it gets here in time.
If it gets here in time.
But if not, we have those powder cannons and it's just gonna be my brothers, my sister-in-law, the kids, my aunt, and my parents and us. And then we're gonna tell everyone the gender because we already know.
Ah!
Are you so excited?
I'm so excited.
Oh.
Bye.
Scout, do you think it's a girl or a boy? Does that mean you think it's a boy or a girl? We're on the way to grandmother's house. Yay! I'm so nervous!
Thank you for calling Scripps Clinic Rancho Bernardo. If you are having a medical emergency, please hang up and dial 911.
It's gonna be a girl.
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy.
It's gonna be a girl.
Launching in 35 seconds.
No posting anything, Scott, until 2 weeks from today, okay?
I feel sick.
Remain on the line and your call will be answered by the next available customer service representative.
Feel my heart right now.
Yeah, well, all you guys got off the 10.
OBGYN, this is Sam. How can I help you?
Hi Sam, I was just called a little while ago with the results from the NIPT test. My name is Sharrah Stevens.
10, 9, 8, 7.
You guys offered to tell me the gender on the phone and then I had asked you just to mail it, but we kind of changed our mind and I was wondering if there's a way that you could tell me the gender.
All right. Are you sure you want me to tell you the sex?
Yes.
Okay.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a boy.
Okay, thank you so much.
You figured it out. You're right.
I'm always right.
I know.